A quick look at the garden on this cool morning. Oh, collard greens, y'all looking great. Have y'all for Thanksgiving. Yes, we are. Okay, collard greens. Okay, mustard greens. I'm not gonna leave you out. We're gonna have some of you guys too. Yes. Okay, I need to come on and get this spinach here. Look at my mustard greens over here. Okay, mustard greens. Got some little collard greens coming up here too. Come on, greens. Get bigger for us. Look at my beautiful cabbage. Looking great. Yes, you are. Hadn't formed a hedge yet. It's trying to. But the leaves look beautiful. Yes, they do. Have some over here. Oh, look like something been eating on it. And I got 3 over here. Come on, cabbage. Grow big, beautiful cabbage heads for us. Got some lettuce growing over here. And lettuce over here as well. My cabbage looking great. I'm not having good luck over here where I had planted my transplants at with my cabbage. A lot of them that I did transplant, they died, but I sowed some more seeds over here, so I'm just waiting for them to sprout up and grow. My broccoli over here, first it had got ate up, but then it came back. Let's see if it's gonna grow some nice broccoli for us. And I added some beans over here, green beans, and they have started sprouting up. Hopefully they'll give us a good harvest this winter. My curly kale is getting bigger. Come on, kale. I have some more growing in here somewhere. They hadn't sprouted up yet, but you guys are looking nice. I don't remember what I put over here, if these are collard greens or cabbage. I know if some heads start forming that they're cabbage. Come on, grow big for us.